Kalendaryo. Alia and Sabrina. Upo. Sabihin natin, ngayon ay Huwebes. Sa English ng Huwebes ay Thursday. Okay. Huwebes. Nobyembre. Anong bilang ito? 6 sa Tagalog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6. Dali, Sabrina. Ngayon ay Huwebes. Nobyembre. 6. 20,000. 25. Okay. Wag nang tatayo. Ano ang ating panahon ngayon? Wag nang tumayo. Ano ang panahon ngayon? Maaraw o maulan? Maaraw. Ngayon ay maaraw. Mahusay ay anong tunog ng K? Ka. Malaking boka. Kawali. Ang nyo, di ba? Kawali. Ito naman. Anong tunog ng W? Malaki. Walo or 8 sa English. Okay? Walo. Okay. Ito naman. Gawa. Gumagawa ba kayo? Mahusay. Ito naman. Kawali. Walo. Gawa. Ito naman. Malaki mo ka. Nakakatuwa. Ito naman. Kawawa ba kayo? Kawawa kayo? Hindi. Hindi. Ang kawawa yung walang magulang, walang makain. Kawali. Walo. Gawa. Nakakatuwa. Kawawa. Okay. Tumingin dito. Ang mga. Ay. Nang. Ang mga. Alia. Ang mga. Ay. Nang. Okay. Ito dito tingin. Kawawa. Ulit. Kawawa. Kawawa ang mga patulis. Kawawa ang mga pulubi. Okay, ito naman. Walo ang kawali. Walo. Maverick. Ang kawali. Pangiwi. Walo. Ang kawali. Ng ale. 8 daw ang pan. Walo ang kawali ng ale. Ulitin natin. Kawawa. Tingin dito. Kawawa. Ang mga pulubi. Walo. Ang kawali tumingin. Alia. Ang gawa ng mabuti. Ang gawa ng mabuti. Ang gawa ng mabuti ay nakakatuwa. Ang gawa ng mabuti ay nakakatuwa. Ito, kawawa ang mga pulubi.
Kawawa ang mga
pulubi. Okay.
Walo ang kawali ng alit. Ang gawa ng mabuti ay nakakatuwa.
Okay, mahusay. Okay, Kawa. Ang mga pulub. Pulub. Okay, lo.
Walo. Ang kawali ng
alik. To.
ang gawa
ng
mabuti ay nakakatuwa.
Okay, mahusay.
Kawawa
Ang mga pulub. Okay. Walo ang pangiwi.
Ang kuwa
Na malaki mukha. Nakakatuwa. Okay, magaling. Lakas. Patulis. Pulub. Okay. Okay. Gaw na mabut nak tu. Okay. Kau. Sabi mo. Kau. Kawawa. Pulub. 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 Madiin. Pulub. Wal. Kawan. Kawan. Na. Ale. Le. Na. Ma. A. Nak. Ka. Okay, mahusay. Ang hiram na salita ay si. Hiram na salita. Hindi sa atin to, sa mga Pilipino, hindi. Hiniram lang natin sa English, no? Ngayon, ang hiram na salita na si, ay may cactus. Ngayon naman, ito namang hiram na letra o titik. Ang hiram na titik ay F. O, ikalawang hiram na titik ay F. Fries. Okay? Naandito ang mga larawan. Ano ang mga larawan na may fries o ibon? Fries. Okay, umupo. O, fries ang kukulayan. Football o kamay? Oo, kasi may Okay. O, Sabrina and Ava, good job. O, next, lahat, malaking F, no? At maliit na F, guguhit. Opo? Okay, maupo.
Help us to obey our parents and teachers. Give us wisdom as we study our
Interesting. And today is, come on, say. Today is November 6, 2025. Look at the weather outside today. What's the weather like today? How's the weather like today? How's the weather like? Yes, it's sunny. It's Mr. Sun. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on me. Yay! Okay, let us now. Love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus. Sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus. Sweet and marvelous, oh, wonderful love. Higher! Ocean wider than the universe, oh, wonderful love. Everybody clap your hands. Ivan. Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus. Sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus. Sweet and marvelous, higher than the sky, deeper than the noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before Lord with gladness. Come before His presence with singing. Know ye that the Lord, He is God. It is He. We ourselves. We are His people and the sheep of His pasture. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving and to His court. For the Lord is good. His love is everlasting, and His truth endureth through all generations. Long A, this is the apron. Airplane. Apron. Long A. Airplane. Apron. Say apron. Apron. Long A. Long vowel A.
Take.
Apron, high five. Apron. Yes, high five. Great job. Long A. A. Yes, high five. Great job. Long A.
Airplane.
A. Apron. Yes, high five. Great job. Long A. Airplane. Apron. Okay, high five. Long A. Say it. Yes. Apron. Yes, high five. Great. Yes, high five. Great job. Long A. Apron. Yes, high five. Great. 1, 2, 3, go. One. And then go. Another one. Yes, another one. Yes. Oh, for the small A. Oh, small A, baby. Oh, C first. Yes, and then straight line. Wow, high five. What letter? A. Yes, high five. Great job. Look at me. Slanted, horizontal. Okay, and then the small A. C first, and then straight line. That is A. Oh, with this one, slanted, horizontal. Okay, go. Slanted, horizontal. Yes. Oh, small A. Curve, letter C, and then straight line. Yes, high five. Great. Oh, slanted, horizontal. That's the big A. Slanted, horizontal. The small A, C first, and then straight line. Okay? Letter A. Oh, let's try to trace it. Slanted, horizontal. Yes, small A. Small letter C first, and then straight line. Okay, high five. Sige. Oh, this one. Slanted. Say slanted. And then slanted. And then horizontal. This is big A. Slanted, horizontal. The small A, C first, and then straight line. That is small A. Let's try to answer this. Trace. Slanted. Okay, slanted, horizontal. Yes, a small one. C first, and then straight line. Yes! What letter? Yes! Slanted, straight line. Ayun. Slanted, horizontal. Yung small A, C first, and then straight line. Let's try to trace the big A and small A. Slanted. Yes, slanted again. Yes, horizontal. Horizontal. Yes, small A. C. Oh. Yes, and straight line. Yes, what letter? Yes, high five. Slanted, horizontal. That's big A. Slanted, horizontal. The small A, C first. C, straight line. Okay, let's try to write the big A and small A. 1, 2, 3, go. Slanted, horizontal. Yes, small A. C first, and then straight line. Yes, high five. Okay. You write the big A. Slanted. Say it. Slanted. Horizontal. Slanted. Horizontal. And the small A, C first, and then straight line. Okay, let's try to write the big A and small A. Straight line, slanted, and then horizontal. Yes. Okay, the small A. C first. C. Oh, baby. C first. C first. And then straight line. Okay, high five. What? Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Wow, this is long A. A. And we have the airplane. And A. Air. 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 A. Apron. Your mommy is using apron when she cooks. Okay? Apron. Apron. They say airplane. Air. Apron. Okay. Do you want to trace this? You will trace the letter A. A. Oh, slanted. 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 Oh, slanted ulit. Slanted. Horizontal. Horizontal. Oh, small A. C. And then straight line. Okay. Color na to. Konting purple. What letter is this? A. Sounds is A. Long A. A. Oh, trace the A. A. Slanted. Oh, slanted ulit. Slanted. Oh, horizontal. Yeah, ay, horizontal. Oh, like this. Okay. Oh, small A. C. Oh, go. And then straight line. Oh, straight line. Okay. Small. Okay. Okay. So these are the A. You color them. Long A. Airplane. Air. And apron. Oh, you color the airplane like this. Oh, dito baby. Oh, like this. Oh, dali. Oh, color the airplane nicely. Letter A. Oh, trace the letter A. Long A. A. Oh, trace. Slanted. Okay, go. Slanted. Oh, slanted again. Slanted. Oh, horizontal. Yes. Oh, small A. C first. C first. Yes. And straight line, baby. Oh, dali, baby. Oh, straight line. Yes. Okay. Oh, A. Oh, color them, ha? Oh, you color. Color the airplane. Color the airplane. Yes, go, baby. Color, baby. Oh.
Me.
Oh, I will help you pag ganun. Okay, go, baby.
Me too.
Yeah, what letter is this?
G.
A.
A.
And the sound is A.
C.
Long A, you say A.
A.
Yes, long A. A. Okay, you trace it. Trace it like this. Slanted. From the top. Slanted, go. And then another slanted. Yes, and horizontal. Yes, go. Okay, and then the small A, C first, like this. Okay, go. Yes, go. Small A, C first, and then straight line. No, baby. Like this lang, pag ganun lang siya. And then straight line na. Okay, straight line, go. Yes, okay, and the...
This one.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, go. You color all the objects with A sound. Airplane. Airplane. Here, baby. Here. Airplane. Go color. A. Yes. Yes. Oh, go. Slanted. Slanted. Oh, horizontal. Pag ganon. Yes. Oh, small A. C first. Go. C first. Yes. And then straight line. Yes. Okay. You color all the objects with A sound. Airplane. A. Oh, sige. Go. Air. Letter A. Okay. Go. Oh, trace. Slanted. Oh, slanted again. Yes. Horizontal. Horizontal.
Airplane.
Yes. Oh, this one. C first. Opo. C first. C. And then straight line. Yes. Okay. Oh, you color all the objects with A. Airplane. Go. Color the airplane. Yes. Go. Color. Color the airplane. Okay. Color. Okay. Go. Slanted. Okay. Another slanted. Horizontal. Yes. Circle. circle first, C first, and then straight line. Yes, okay. You color all the objects with A. A sound. Go. A sound. The long A. Go. Go. Color it like this. Oh, like this. Okay, go color. Oh, no, like this. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, you color this, baby. Color it. Yeah.